Okay. They're my rocks. Mine. They're my rocks. They're not yours. They're mine. Shiloh. They are my rocks. You don't need to eat them. You don't need to eat whatever. It's almost done. You're so funny. Goodness.